You don't need to do everything yourself. And if you try, trust me, you'll never grow. Most cleaning business owners are stuck doing $7 an hour tasks while their dreams are collecting dust. But what if I showed you how to build a virtual assistant team that actually grows your business for you? No theory, no fluff. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I built my remote cleaning business to 7 figures with a global team of VAs that run the day-to-day for me. All of it, the entire operation. I'm John Margalit, founder of Happy Home Helpers, a 7-figure remote cleaning business, and Rags to Riches University, where I help people like you start a profitable cleaning business using nothing but a phone and laptop. I'm also a special consultant for Jobber, the leading software for home service businesses. I was featured several times on Jobber's podcast, and I was a keynote speaker at the 2025 Jobber Summit. And just so you're confident you're getting expert advice from somebody who knows how to grow a cleaning business, here's my total revenue from last year in 2024. I'm filtering this report to show you January 1st, 2024 to December 31st, 2024. And you can see that I processed $1,330,668.45, and that's what's possible if you follow my step-by-step blueprint for building a fully automated VA team. Step number 1, set yourself up for success. First, you've got to get real about what's killing your time. So open a blank document and brain dump every task that drains you. Answering phones, following up with leads, assigning jobs to cleaners, dealing with reviews, responding to customer complaints, recruiting, even texting your team. Then ask yourself, what if I wasn't doing this anymore? How much headspace would I get back? How much more time could I spend growing the business instead of just surviving? This is where the shift starts. You gotta stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a business owner. Because here's the truth, delegation is the first domino. Once you tip it, everything starts moving faster. Step number 2, you gotta clone yourself. Don't just hire help and hope it works out. You really need to clone yourself. That means documenting everything you do in steps, just like I do for you in these videos. Your goal is to make it so stupid simple, your VA can follow it even half asleep. And here's the deal. If you hire before you've documented, 2 things will happen, and they're both bad. You'll burn through money fast, and your VA will lose faith in you and quit, mentally or literally. No one wants to join chaos, but when your standard operating procedures are locked in, you project confidence, competence, and structure. And now that's leadership. And when your VA feels like they've joined something stable, they perform like pros because they trust you. Step number 3, be ready to hire full-time. Now, this one thing stings a little. You're probably thinking, but John, I'm not sure if I can hire full-time help. And here's what I'll say. You can't afford not to. If your business only works when you're working, it's not a business. It's a job you created for yourself. And when you hire someone part-time, they'll always prioritize whoever gives them full-time income. Trust me, you'll lose them the second a better offer comes along. Hiring full-time gets their focus, their loyalty, and their best performance. So bite the bullet, because this is the path to freedom. Step number 4, unlock affordable excellence. This is how you make full-time help affordable. You gotta go overseas. You can hire incredible talent from places like the Philippines, El Salvador, Colombia, and India at a fraction of what you'd pay here in North America. But we gotta address the uncomfortable truth. In local service businesses, how someone sounds matters. It's not fair, it's not right, but it's reality. People buy from whom they feel comfortable with. If a customer hears a heavy accent, they might hesitate, and hesitation equals less revenue. So if you can, try to find VAs with neutral accents. You'll get better conversion rates, better communication, and happier customers. Don't try to change people's bias. Just play the game better. Your job is to win. Step number 5, where to find them. There are tons of platforms, agencies, and Facebook groups out there, but the honest truth is that they're all hit or miss. You might get lucky, or you might waste an entire month and still end up with the wrong person. That's why I built a recruiting system that does this specifically for other cleaning businesses. I'm not going to pitch it here because this is not a sales ad, but just know, I do this every day, and I've hired and trained hundreds of VAs for other cleaning business owners. If you want someone to take it off your plate, I got you. Otherwise, just make sure you take your time and test each hire thoroughly. If you want to grow, get your life back, and actually build a business, you know you need help, and not just any help. Trained, reliable, plug-and-play help. But the good news? Virtual assistants are the secret weapon you didn't know you needed until now. So stop doing everything yourself and follow these steps. Document, train, hire, lead. Then your business will finally work without you. And the next level starts when you let go. So what are you still holding on to? Drop a comment if you're ready to start building your team. And hit that subscribe button, because I'm not just teaching theory. I'm showing you exactly what works. I'll see you in the next one. But hopefully your VA will show up and watch it for you.